Good morning, children. So, I hope you all have received the question and answers of lesson 6. Sorry, for lesson 3. Um, Let me explain the question and answers to you. Okay. So, what task did Tom been given the Saturday morning? You pretty well remember that Tom has given the task by Aunt Polly to whitewash his fence, her house's fence. Fence I have already explained the meaning. Fence matlab the border of the house, the border of the house that looks like the uh, patted bamboos like this, right? Like this. These fence are remaining like this. These are patted horizontally and vertically crisscrossly. Okay. So Tom had given the task of whitewashing the fence of Aunt Polly's house. It was a bright morning, but it sounded very dull, pale, lifeless. Okay, and hollow to Tom. टॉम के लिए इट वॉज वेरी पेल लाइफलेस अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था उसको मॉर्निंग वाई बिकॉज ही हैज़ टू गो टू डू द मोस्ट बोरिंग वर्क ऑफ हिज लाइफ दैट इज वाइट वॉशिंग द फेंस life to him became a burden to him. Why life became burden to him? Because he need to do something which was totally against his wish. ইচ্ছের বিরুদ্ধে কিছু করা. That is, you feel bad. You don't feel any energetic to do that work, right? Okay. He was filled up with deep melancholy. Melancholy, dukho, sadness. When you are filled up with huge sorrow inside your mind and heart, that is melancholy, sadness, right? So, question number 1 is over. Now, question number 2. How did Aunt Polly react when she saw Jim with Tom? What was Aunt Polly's reaction? Okay. When Aunt Polly saw Jim with Tom, she had triumph in her eyes. She had triumph. She was feeling like I'm the victorious lady. At that time, Aunt Polly was retiring from the field with a slipper in her hand. She was having a slipper that if I'll find Tom talking with Jim or trying to convince anyone else to do the job, then I'm going to give a tight bite to him. But unfortunately, she found that Tom was busy with his work, with his fulfilling the work which has been given to him by Aunt Polly. Okay. Describe Tom's state of mind before he had the inspiration. Now, this is a very, very important and critical question. You need to understand it very nicely. Now, what is the question actually? Describe Tom's state of mind means in which mentality, in which mind he was, in which thought he was before having the inspiration. Inspiration of what? Inspiration when you get an energy to do something. That is inspiration. Okay. So he had the inspiration. Inspiration power আগে টমের state of mind কি ছিল? What he used to think or what he was thinking rather. Tom was in a state of mind of trying to convince others. Now, as because it was a very boring work for him, he was not at all interested in doing the job. So, his target was to convince someone else or some other people to come and do this job. To make this job very interesting to them so that they will come and ask him to hand over the job to them and he will very hesitatedly handle it or hand over it. He will pretend that he is not at all interested in handing it over, but he was very happy, right? Suddenly, an idea clicked in his mind and he began to think of the fun he had planned. So he suddenly something clicked in his mind. Oh, I can do this. So if I'll do this, then people will come to me. I can convince others to do this job. Apart from of my place, they will come and finish it up. This realization burnt him with like fire. Burnt him like fire means যখন কোনো শয়তানি বুদ্ধি মাথায় চলে আসে আমি এটা করবো হেভি মজা হবে. This is burnt with fire. Means when you have uh, mind of getting yourself enjoyed or entertained with something which sounds to be very normal, but it's all created by you. Trying to buy his way, put out of his labor only to realize that he doesn't possess the financial wherewithal to do so. He just trying to put out his way. Buy his way means by buy his way means nothing to purchase. It is nothing to purchase. Buy means खरीदना. यहाँ पर खरीदने का कुछ नहीं है. He wanted to buy the mind of the people. बच्चों के जो इसके दोस्त आने वाले से उस रास्ते से उनके माइंड को, उनकी चिंता को, उनकी सोच को वो खरीदना चाहता था. किससे? अपनी शैतानी बुद्धि से. Clear? That's why they have told that by his way out of his labors, he was working hard only to realize that he doesn't possess the financial wherewithal to do so. He just wanted to pretend, oh really, I just don't have any time to look here and there, but I'm busy with this work, I'm very happy. But actually he was not. Driving him further into a dark and hopeless mood. But then also again he became pale. Why? Because he was thinking that whether this idea will click or not. He was in dilemma. Next question. Why was Jim dreading that his friends would see him whitewash? Dreading, fearing. Why Tom was fearing that if my friends will see me, this is very bad. Because whitewashing the fence is not a very honorable job. It's a very down-to-earth job. I mean very low standard event, which normally a standardized people or a child belonging to a elite section people doesn't do these types of works. So that's why he was feeling bad that if my friends will see, then they will do a mocking event towards me. They will do a mockery, मजाक. मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे वो लोग कहीं पर भी कभी भी. Because this is a very sensitive issue. Okay. How did Tom convince Ben that whitewashing was an important and interesting work? This is the last question. Tom, how did he convince Ben? You see, in a book part, you can see I can tell you which part you can understand. Page number 25. Here. You see? Tom has pretended that he is doing the job of whitewashing the fence as if he is very interested. He is getting a huge energy in doing so. And so he made, by his movements, by his gestures, by his behavior, Ben felt excited and interested towards doing the work. Ben felt that, अरे बाप रे, इतना interesting काम Tom कर रहा है. Tom doesn't belong to that standard. I belong to an elite section, so I should do it. This is my honor that I'm going to whitewash the fence. He was really very fool boy, I should say, because he could not calculate the naughtiness or the trick which Tom was playing on him, so that he can hand over his work to Ben and he can be free. Okay, I hope you have understood the question. So go through it. If you have any doubt, let me know. I'll repeat the same thing once again. Okay, so learn it, write it in your literature copy and make yourself prepared. Very soon I'll come back with you with a new lesson. Till then, bye-bye.